How to make Thumbprint Chicks by Duck Duck Goose Fun. You'll need thick white paper, a black marker, and some yellow paint. You can cut out the chicks when you're done and put them on another color card like this pink one, or just keep them on a white background. First, fold the paper in half if you want to make a card. Then dip your thumb in the paint cap or pour a small amount into a flat surface like a paper plate or plastic lid. Press your thumb on the paper. Make sure you have enough paint on the paper. If not, you can press it on again. Next, you'll need to let the paint dry, which could take up to 15 minutes depending on how thick your paint is. If you want to hurry up the process, you could try using a hair blower. Once the paint is dry, take a black marker and make 2 dots for eyes, upside down triangles for a beak and the wings, and little lines for stick feet. If you're making the chicks for a card, you can write a message like "Happy Easter" from your peeps. To put the chicks on another color card, just cut them out and attach them with a glue stick. I hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching Duck Duck Goose Fun. To see more videos like this, click here.